Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about how to use Quick Crop on iPhone Photos app in iOS 17 or later. Beyond the attention-grabbing new features with iOS 17, there are a number of small yet very handy upgrades with the latest software. One of those is a new Quick Crop on iPhone Photos app. This is exactly what you need to fine-tune your images with utmost ease. That said, let's get started. First off, open the Photos app on your iPhone running iOS 17 or later. Then find a photo you would like to crop and view it. Then do a two-finger expand gesture on the photo. After that, tap on the crop button in the top right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can long press on the crop button to change the aspect ratio and then tap on crop again. And if you like how it is, make sure to tap on done to confirm and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can use the Quick Crop on iPhone Photos app in iOS 17 or later. Now that you have got a good hang of how this new feature works, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.